All right, let's join our hands, everyone. Give the Tanya for the lovely moment. And next, I would like to invite Dr. Sushila Chawla ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Pandita ma'am to please come forward. And आपके साथ में हमारी पूरी टीम मंजू मैम and they were also inviting Sunita. And next, I would like to invite Neerja Khanna ma'am to please. Next, I would like to invite none other than ladies and gentlemen, Sunita ma'am के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। मैं कहूँगी आप भी आएं और yes of course.
Please, I can't do it alone.
Please,
You are the Of course, please come.
Where's Ishan?
Ishan.
So yes, everyone, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। We have the lovely Priya family today. Our esteemed guest, Mr. Anu Dayal ma'am, to please come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. And I would request to join ma'am, our CEO sir. ये सेलिब्रेशन यहाँ पर शुरू तो होता है, लेकिन इस सेलिब्रेशन को और भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत जो चीज़ बनाती है, that 300 milestone of crossing 50 stores nationwide. So 50 stores हमने nationwide complete किया है, which is a wonderful thing. So इतनी बातें तो मैंने बताई, अब आप सभी से एक छोटा सा और सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगी। इंद्रिय सुन के आपके जहन में, आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? So मैम, according to you, what is Indriya?
We are lucky in Hisar to have this Indriya store because our country marriage purpose के लिए, marriage industry के लिए will pay a lot for us.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. And जैसे मैम ने कहा कि मैरिज वेडिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए हिसार में इंद्रिया का होना बहुत जरूरी है। सो इंद्रिया में अलग-अलग एक वैरायटीज है, यानी ब्राइडल्स के लिए पूरा लॉन्च ही डेडिकेटेड है, which is a wonderful thing. So ma'am, I think we are doing the job, right? We are doing the job.
Best.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am, thank you. And now I think हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्योंकि आप सभी से यहाँ पर आना हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा मायने रखता है। And thank you so much for the lovely presence. And now Indriya and the whole team will say thank you so much with a lovely welcome and honor ceremony. So yes, I would like to invite our dignitaries to welcome. So yes everyone, मैं चाहती हूँ एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ let's welcome on stage the CEO of Indriya. Let's welcome Mr. Sandeep Kohli sir. So please come forward, and I would request you to welcome the lovely eldest member of the Dayal family who is carrying forward the legacy of service to the city of Hisar. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Anu Dayal. Come on, जोरदार तालियां आप सभी की। मैम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक बार सामने आ जाए हमारे सामने, बिल्कुल सर के साथ, और इधर से आप फोटोग्राफी करें। हमारे सभी गेस्ट इधर ज्वाइन करेंगे। परफेक्ट, ऑलराइट। सो अनु मैम, आपका बहुत स्वागत है। आपका जो काम है और आपका जो डेडिकेशन है, उसके लिए इंद्रिया और इंद्रिया की पूरी फैमिली आपको धन्यवाद और आपका स्वागत दोनों करती है।
We are the family.
Yes, just 2 words for the lovely day.
We are the family. And Indriya will do very well. I have all my
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now moving forward, thank you so much, ma'am. I would request, of course, the franchisee partner, the one and only Mr. Mukul Dayal sir, to please come forward and let's welcome, let's honor the CEO of Indriya, Mr. Sandeep Kohli sir. So come on everyone, give it up for the lovely honor. Let's let's see what he has to say. Unclasping हो चुकी है हमारे chief guest, हमारे one of the dignitary का welcome हो चुका है. And sir, on the lovely day, आप आज क्या कहना चाहेंगे इंद्रिया family के लिए और आज के special दिन के लिए?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really happy to be here in Hisar today. We have been talking about the partnership with Mr. Dayal and setting up our first Indriya store in Hisar for a long time. And it's finally happened, so it was wonderful seeing it from outside. I've been seeing, of course, all the pictures as we have set up the store, all the jewelry that we have chosen as we have put up the store. So I'm really glad to be here. But more than that, I really want to thank all of you for coming here for this store opening. A lot of people ask me that, Sandeep, many people, when they open their jewelry stores, they call celebrities, they call big politicians, etc. to open the store. Why don't you do that? And we don't do that for any of our stores. We've not done that for all our 50 stores. The reason we don't do that is because our celebrities are our customers. And we would like to honor them and get good wishes from them every time that we open a store. So I really want to thank all of you for being here, especially you, ma'am, for coming here and doing a special unclasping. Yeah, thank you so much. Now, you asking, what does Indriya mean? And maybe many of you know, or some of you may not know, because Indriya actually means the 5 senses. Yeah? And purposely we chose that name because what we want to do is, because jewelry is not just about investment. Jewelry is not just about, let me buy a gift. Jewelry is a very emotional experience. And anything which is emotional has got to excite all the 5 senses. Which is why we have kept our brand name Indriya. And our endeavor will be that we must excite the 5 senses of all the customers as they come and experience Indriya. When they come into the outlet, the shop, or when they go out and they are wearing the beautiful jewelry. We have moved very fast actually to get to 50 stores. Many people are surprised. Actually, we have been the fastest to get to 50 stores across any category in the history of India. Not only jewelry category, any category. And the reason that has happened is not because the team does hard work. That of course they do. We get encouraged by the response that we have got from consumers. If you read our Google reviews, if you read the kind of consumer response we get from customers who've come into our store, or all our research really says that people really value all the designs that we have, and they really value the service that they get in the store. So we hope to replicate that and even more in Hisar. We always say that every store of ours is better than the last. So Hisar is better than the last store because our brand line is Dil Abhi Gharane. Thank you very much.
So yes, I think तालियों से भी ज़्यादा जोरदार तालियों मतलब क्या है ये दिल अभी भरा नहीं. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I think सर आपसे मेरी रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी कि हमारे कुछ और चीफ गेस्ट हमारे कुछ और डिग्निटरीज हैं जिनका हम स्वागत करना चाहेंगे. सो आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट Padita Singh ma'am to please come forward. Let's give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Padita Singh, a leading lady and a leading doctor. So yes, a lady who works towards the revival of crafts, spreading awareness regarding significance of heritage among schools. And heritage और significance की बात करें, so I think Indriya के जो pieces हैं, उसका significance among brides, among people, among family members, it's crazy, right? So yes, ma'am, thank you so much for the lovely presence, and that's how Indriya and family welcome you. Thank you so much. Miss Sunita Bindra. Sunita ma'am. Let's welcome over here. Sunita ma'am से मेरी request है कि आप आए, and a lady who's closely involved with Sanjeevani, an NGO that provides closely involved with Sanjeevani, an NGO that provides vocational training to underprivileged. And I request everyone एक बार सुनीता जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां as our welcoming her, we are honoring her.
She is one of the co-founders.
Oh, perfect.
I would like to invite my team.
Yes.
All right.
It's all about
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
They are co-founders of Sangeet.
तो मैम को ज्वाइन किया है बाकी सभी को फाउंडर्स ने, संगीत की को फाउंडर्स ने. सो यस, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर द लवली प्रेजेंस एंड थैंक यू सो मच जॉइनिंग अस.
I would also like to bring in Parinita, Manju, who works with Parinita, and we all work as a team.
Alright, so Manju and I are moving forward and we are welcoming over here Sunita Khanna. जोरदार तालियों के साथ मैं चाहती हूँ यहाँ पर स्वागत किया जाए the educationalist Sunita Khanna ma'am. She has played the role of an educationalist for past 2 years and dedicating her life, her time to the community service. We invite from India team Mr. Abhishek. Abhishek sir, can you please come forward? And our very first customer I would like to invite Divya Srivastav. Divya Srivastav, ma'am, please come forward. And after this situation, I will stand यहाँ पर बहुत ही खास पारामाम है यहाँ पर. And पारामाम, I would request you, हमारे बीच में है the YouTuber, influencer Vibhuti. Vibhuti, can I please have you here? Vibhuti. And I will request पारामाम, आप विभूति का भी स्वागत करें. Can you please come forward? Anita ji. That's all. Thank you for the इंडिया में हमारे जो भी गेस्ट होते हैं, हमारे जो भी अतिथि हैं, उनको हम भगवान का दर्जा देते हैं. और इसी तरह हमने आपका स्वागत किया, सत्कार किया और आपका अभिनंदन किया. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लैम्प लाइटिंग सेरेमनी की तरफ. और लैम्प लाइटिंग के लिए once again I would like to invite our chief guest, our dignitary.
I welcome you all. I welcome the India team. I welcome my friends. I welcome my customers. I welcome all. We assure you that the new store that Indriya is opening here will be a new experience in shopping. We are here not only to give you the best product, competitive pricing, but also an experience, a wonderful, beautiful experience that you will receive from our hands while shopping in our store. I again welcome you all and thank the Indriya team, my customers, my friends, to be part of my journey towards success.